Hello guys, this is Business Plus on your way today again. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are wonderful. You're amazing. Please, for those watching this video, if you have not subscribed on the YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel by helping your boy, and also you can turn on the notification bell. And guys, you will see in the description below, you will see a link to my Telegram channel. I drop free signals there, so guys, you can join so that you see the free signals that I'm dropping. Let me say free money. Something happened today which is somehow I'm not so pleased with it, but I bless God for everything. Now today we bought Crash 1000 index at this point, and it went in profit. So at this point, and before we could close, the system was not okay. Everything got hanged up, and we had a spike against us here, though we're still in profit. But I'm just trying, because I'm using a big lot size, so I'm trying to close it, but it's not closing. And also on some other accounts that I manage, it wasn't closing. So we had another spike around this place too, so it wasn't closed. And for like 20-25 minutes we're unable to close our trade, but we bless God that the trade went so well in our favor. Okay, so on this small account, so I have 3 positions which I opened. You can see it's real accounts, right? So I have 3 positions that are open on this account. The first one, which is showing $15, is the one I closed last, and followed by the one with 0.50. But the one which is 0.50 lot size, the one which is $9.28, I managed. I don't know, it closed. But the one below is the one that I closed with 10 point something dollars, and the trade didn't go against us, and probably we have $3.49, though we still bless God for everything. You can see his real account. Today being the 31st of December 2020, I think it has been an amazing day trading for me, guys. It has been a wonderful day for me. You can see we trade on real accounts. We don't fake anything here, guys. It's real. Okay, I dropped a video around 12 a.m. You can check that too. That's the previous video before this. So guys, for mentorship, for account management, you can just join the Telegram channel and just message me, or you can drop your comments here, guys. So guys, you just have to be careful today if you want to open a trade. I just want to use this medium to pass the information to you guys. Maybe probably stay away from trading today, but I really bless God. I was able to make $28 on this small account. It means that in 2 days I have tripled the amount deposited on this account. Yesterday was 21, today was 28. Guys, that's God. So guys, I want to tell you once again to stay safe and enjoy your new year. God bless you. Thank you.